Hello and welcome to the Morty and Fitch show. We are two nobodies that know absolutely nothing about anything, and we are here today to make you smile, I hope.
Today we're going to play a little game. This we ordered this, it's been delivered. We haven't touched it yet. I've never played this before. This is called Soundiculous. So basically, you know charades.
Does this contain a couple of dice, and when we roll them, we find out what position we're going to be in?
Let's play that game. That sounds better.
No.
You know charades or charades, whatever you want to call them. You know, like that game that you have to actually read something on a piece of card, and then you have to act it out without using words, and the other person has to guess what it is.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Oh right, you looked so confused. Well, this is the opposite. So what you do with this one is you get
it draws you a picture and you got to guess what it is.
No, that's Pictionary. You read off the card and have to make the noise.
I only have one problem with this. You're assuming I can read.
I am not. You make the noise. So you can't say what it is. You can't use words.
Right.
Can't even say like brum brum, for example. Can't use any words. And you can't use hand movements and gestures, so you have to sit on your hands, I believe. I don't know, that's just what I got from the back. And you make a noise, and I have to guess what that noise is. Shall we open it up and have a little look?
Yes.
Aim, win the most points by making and guessing ridiculous sounds. These range from easy sounds, like a bee. Do a bee for us.
Zzz.
I would have guessed wasp. A baby? I would have guessed hawk. Or a sneeze.
There's an elephant in the room.
So that I would have guessed that it was treading on a snail.
That had a bit more.
Through to really hard sounds like... We're not going to read those in case they pop up. Setup. First, take the cards you need. 5 for every person. So you can play this players 3+. We've only got 2 players, so this might not work straight away. But you need to have 3 or more players.
Oh, let's be friends.
So if there are 3 of you, you need 15 cards, for example. Thank you for explaining that instructions, because I didn't understand what 5 cards per person meant. If there are 4 of you, we need 20. Wow, this really is...
What are these for?
Take turns picking up any card from the middle. Look at the 2 sounds written on it and choose one to make. When making your sound, you can't say any words. Not even brum brum. That's exactly what I said. Goodness. When you're ready, sit on your hands. Oh, okay. I've got Tourette's. That'll be enjoyable for me. You don't make any gestures.
Can I sit on your hands?
Let's do this.
Should we flip a coin?
Who's going for... Yes! Oh, I've got coins!
That's the only reason he's here. Show off his little bag of coins.
So let's pick...
A few moments later.
This old one. So this is 2p. This is from 1979. It's an Irish coin.
Heads or tails?
Heads. Has it gone against me again?
Right, you got heads this time. At least we haven't got to eat anything nasty this time.
I still don't trust you, so it probably will end up whipping something out for me to stick in my mouth.
Well, right. Who's right? So, are you reading first, making the noise first, or am I making the noise first?
I don't really know.
We didn't really discuss it, did we?
No, we didn't. You make the noise first, but you've got to sit in your hands before you make the noise.
This is so wrong. Why have I got to sit on my hands?
To make sure that you don't accidentally do some sort of hand movements, you know.
Bing!
Oh, I'm not going to go with my original answer. Microwave.
Yes.
I'll have that. Okay. Easy one.
Have you sat on top of my microwave?
Are we taking first guesses?
No, we're not. That was a.
Have you got the timer on?
Oh no, I haven't. Can you do that again when I put the timer on?
Of course I can.
Go there again.
Are you using to put the timer on?
We're gonna wait till you made the right.
No, but I already made the noise once.
Breathing. Gasping.
Yes. It was a
That's
gasp.
a bit pants. You should have gone for tiger. I'd have gone. Right. What? Actually, I could do this. I'm excited about this
I
one.
believe in you.
You don't even. So.
A turkey in a washing machine. Have you got the timer on? Yeah, okay.
You got it right.
You want to try? Did I get it right?
It's a turkey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, lovely. Lovely, I love that.
I don't know how I was going to do the other one. Oh.
Okay. Can you reset the timer?
Yeah, go. Why am I sitting on my hands?
I did the same thing. Ready? Yeah. Oh no, because I can't make the actual. I can't say words, can I? I don't know. I'm going to do it without words.
Excuse me. I'm going to stop the timer and restart it.
Ready?
Yeah. Water bubbling. Gargling? I don't know what that is. Bubbles?
What, the monkey? Oh, no, I thought.
A frog?
You got it! Frog! I thought I can't say ribbit, can I?
You could have done, that's what I'd have gone.
But that's a word, isn't it?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. I think that was an incredible frog impression.
What? How are you meant to make that noise? Okay, I'll go with the other one.
You're not supposed to do the movements, you're doing movements.
I can't help it. You're not that the music's going to help you.
Was it wind?
No, that'd be...
Oh, I'm sorry. You're not supposed to talk. That's a completely different noise. Wind, a volcano. Marbles falling down the stairs. I don't know what it is you're doing. I'm not getting that. You've kept that card, I'm not getting that. What was it?
Waves.
Now you've said it.
The other one was restaurant. How do you do a restaurant noise?
Oh.
Right, Mr. Bean? Are you ready?
I think so.
I mean, I don't know why I couldn't help but rock doing waves.
Oh no, it's fine. No.
Yeah, don't get yourself confused. Because I've done that. I've done that a couple of times. Right.
I mean, I don't know what one of these things is, so I'm gonna have to do the other. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, but I don't know what the second thing is. Okay.
How was waves in restaurant medium? That should have been hard. You're either a witch or a horse. hyena?
Yes!
I've never heard a hyena laugh.
I know, but but you got it because they associate it with like laughing hyenas, and I didn't know how else to do it. What is one of those things?
DJing.
Oh, I thought it just said G.
DJ would have been so easy. It'd have been.
No, you can't do that. That would have been good, but I thought it was just a word called jing that I never heard of.
Oh, you donut, right? I'm winning.
You are winning. I don't even know if I can come back with your made-up rules.
Oh, these. Are you gonna get these?
Have we started?
Yeah.
Oh, dolphin. Farts.
I'm worried I read it wrong then. Oh, look.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
What the? This is from my hard card. Okay. Meet me. Oh, I can't.
Roadrunner.
Ding ding.
Bus.
Yes. Bus. That was easy, wasn't it? Yes, you get it.
How was boxing?
Don't know how I would have done boxing.
Oh, I was reading it upside down. I was like, what's a tart?
I think you've won anyway, to be fair. Stop moving! You're supposed to move! It's a choo-choo train.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh no, I was wrong. It was a lion. Ready?
Helicopter.
Yes! I think it works. Our brains are quite similar.
I do. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 8,
you had
9,
like points.
10, 11 points, bro.
Okay, so
Why did I call you bro?
I've got 2, 5, 7 points. I enjoyed that.
I enjoyed that.
Do you want to have another cook?
Let's do it again.
Okay.
I'm going to go first this time.
Alright.
What is one of those?
Is it a DJ?
Oh, what?
I was trying to work out what a jing was.
I am.
I thought it was that little crazy frog looking
I'm
alien
going to go
got
for that
through.
one because I feel that's going to be fun.
A helicopter crashing into a chicken? Dog and roller skates. Tennis. Tennis player. Badminton.
Yes! How on God's earth do you do badminton?
That's amazing.
That was hard. That was really hard.
Wow. Okay. What the? What? I don't know how to do these.
Oh, go. Deflating. Waddling. A fish. Air brakes. Chucking a fish in water. Fishing. A whale. A turbo. That didn't sound like my old car's turbo. I don't know. Well,
It was scuba diving.
when has a scuba diver played a cymbal?
That's him jumping in. Because when you said the fish going into water, so I was like, oh, because it was something jumping into water.
Oh, I didn't realise you were telling me. I thought you were just...
You thought it was just a tick, didn't you? No, when you're getting close, you can nod, remember? It was in the rules that I read at the beginning of the video.
Oh, you're going to get this one easy. Ready?
Oh, race car.
No.
You're not supposed to talk. Braking.
Yeah, I'll let you have it. No, that's not the one.
Brakes, okay, yeah.
I'll pick another one because you just see that one. Oh.
You're really overestimating the power of my eyesight. I'm so glad, because if I'd have got brakes, I would have tried to work out how to do an impression of the company that supply food goods to large companies. You know, Brakes Brothers that like deliver food.
What are you going on about?
There's a big company called Brakes Brothers, like Bidfest and Bidfood, whatever. The Brakes Brothers. I would have read that as that company, tried to work out how
I don't think these people know what you're talking about.
You people. Ready?
Okay. Motorbike. Race car. Running out of petrol. Helicopter. Motorbike. Racing. Farting. I don't care what this is anymore. I just like making you feel uncomfortable. Cold, shivering.
It was obviously...
What is it?
Tumble dryer.
What is a chum chum? When is a tumble dryer ever going chum chum? Mine goes. Zzz,
To be fair, I don't have one. I don't know what they sound like. That was a good tumble dryer, I thought.
I'm going to choose a hard one.
You're not supposed to move.
I can't help it.
Guinea pigs.
No.
You're not supposed to talk. Guinea pigs.
No.
Drill.
Oh.
Is it fart again? What, have you read it wrong? What did you think it was?
I'm going to pick another one because I can't carry on with this one.
What did you think it was? On the fridge?
I was trying to draw a triangle in my head, but we didn't do
It was triangle. What were you doing?
The musical triangle, yeah, ding.
Right.
I was trying to draw a triangle with noise.
You were trying to do the noise of a shape of the triangle. You were trying to do the noise of a shape. You thought I would guess that? You thought if you sat there and went, "Roo," I'd go, oh, a circle.
Listen.
Oh, yeah, now you've said it. It's obvious, isn't it?
I'll go again.
What is wrong with you? Oh, Also, me and you have both been doing this, like, we can make actual noises. We're just not allowed to say words. I think we got too nervous. You could have gone, ding, 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 and then I would have got it.
I didn't realise that was the sort of triangle I was meant to be doing.
How? What? I mean, I know it's supposed to be hard, but how's anyone going to guess a shape from a noise?
I don't know. What's wrong with me? I can't even do that when I'm not going to say.
It was bad enough that I was thinking about a food delivery company earlier, but no, you can't do this. You have to pick one. Just pick one. Well, haven't you just mixed it all up with the cards that we had?
Oh, yeah, don't worry about that.
Oh, we're not. I mean, I've won anyway. Go on then. Compose yourself.
I don't even know what that is.
There's 2 options on there.
I'm not even sure this is the right thing.
Triangle. Pentagon.
No, that'd be it.
Oh yeah. But you can't use. Stop using hand movements because that suggests violin or something. Stop doing this.
I can't help it.
So you did this thing, which you weren't supposed to do. So and you said not violin.
I don't even
What
know.
other things do you do? Like
I don't know if that's what it is.
cello.
I think that's just how you spell cello.
Yeah, it's a cello. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but I wouldn't have got that had you not done this.
I wanted you to get it.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm not ready, no. I'm full of meat. My nose is full. My eyes are full.
I don't know what noise this makes.
Is it a triangle? Is it a circle?
Are you ready? You set a timer.
I don't think the time is needed anymore. Go.
That's not the noise. I don't know what noise it makes.
A hedgehog. A chicken.
I'm going to start again because I don't know what noise this thing makes. I'm going to start again. Ready?
Yeah.
Shing, 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 shing,
A knife. A chopping board. A cheese slicer. Scissors.
Scissors. Well done. The other one was grasshopper. What noise does a grasshopper make? That's frog.
Oh, that's a frog. At this point in time, I don't know what anything makes.
I feel like we're going to call that a day, are we? Did you enjoy this game?
I absolutely love this game. I will 100% want to play this again.
Good fun, isn't it?
I feel like we're going to come back and visit this again another day, and we are going to play this, and I feel like we may need to get more people involved.
Let us know in the comments if you would like us to do a little bit more of this game. Maybe some different rules, because there are a few different versions of the game that you can play wherever my thing is.
I mean, we could zhuzh up the rules. We could have it where...
Well, you threw it on the floor, but there are a few different rules.
We could do it where we have something nasty if we get it wrong. The phone likes that idea. We could have, nasty food if we get it wrong, nasty drinks.
No, why have you always got to do that?
Because people like to see us in pain or eating
But it
nasty
always
stuff.
happens to me, Fitch.
That's because that's how I work it.
But if you enjoyed that game, you can go buy this from... I got it from Amazon. But I'm guessing you can buy this in, like, swanky shops. You know, like when you go to swanky shops and they've got the little games. They don't have the big board games.
Like travel games, like miniature chess and miniature giraffes. And
yeah, miniature giraffes.
Giraffes, not
Right,
giraffe.
Pygmy giraffes.
Yeah, pygmy giraffes.
Yeah, so I imagine you can get it from there, but Amazon's quite easy enough.
How much was it?
I do not remember.
Oh, he doesn't want his wife to know. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. And I have been Fitch. He has been...
very confused about the word jing.
Oh, we'll see you again very, 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 very soon. Goodbye.